To ensure optimum use of your B900S and Gamax machine, we recommend that you apply silicone, which will prevent problems when fitting the polyester by making it easier to slide. Remember to use DS900 silicone release spray and not other lubricating products. We will apply the silicone in 2 places on the machine, on the closing mold marked with the number 2, and on the upper mold marked with the number 0. On the feeder, marked with the number 1, it is not necessary to apply the product. When applying the product to the mold number 2, we recommend that you first place a back part to prevent the silicone from accumulating. Then spray the 4 corners of the mold. For the head part, we will reverse the machine to make the application easier and more effective. Afterwards, spray the product on the vertical walls.